Someone's getting playful. See, he never played much when he was here before.
He's got a new lease on life.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Get a picture. I just love oranges. Yes, I love orange tabbies.
Is that his purr I hear?
That's not me.
That is a loud purr. Goodness.
He's a very happy boy. He is very happy. He'll stand in the sink and drink and knead at the same time. It's hilarious. That's what I told her. He needs a lot. But he's very gentle about it.
Awesome kitty.
Where did it go? Where did it go?
Ooh, nice fast movement. He's definitely a lot more active.
Because he's healthy. He's happy. Makes all the difference in the world, doesn't it, buddy?
Oh yeah.
Oh, gotta scratch, gotta scratch. Boy, you're playing with everything now. I think this room is, I wanted him to get here a little bit earlier so he could check out the room. Because I hate it when you bring cats in here to show them and they're only interested in the smells of everything and not the people. But he did pretty good interacting with people. Where did he go?
Show me how to do that.
He shouldn't need it, but he was pretty good about it. Yeah, he doesn't mind brushing at all.
Sarya. Hey.
He's not a hider at all.
Hi. Come here. Come here. Hi. Yeah, let me see your eyes. You got pretty eyes? Let me see those eyes.
He's got kind of funny lips too. They're spotted.
Hello.
And he's good with being picked up and held.
Oh yes.
He's good with
Come
being
here.
set on your lap, and he may get down and go check something out and he's
Hi.
right back.
Oh, what a lover. Yes.
He
What a
is.
lover. Hi. You want to get down?
And so where do you get the seeds?
Oh, I bought the plants this summer.
Catnip plants.
I've got some outside
You know what? I
ones.
bet that I bet I could have the guy at the garden place in Eagle River order me some, because he sells lots of herbs and stuff.
Yep.
I bet he would do that.
Yep.
Oh, the good stuff.
I've got several plants that I just moved indoors for the winter.
Make a pretty
And
boy.
he's got a couple pillows at home too that have the dried catnip in the pillows, and he tears those up.
You're a pretty boy. Yeah. You're a pretty boy.
All over.
You're a pretty boy.
He just seems to like to rub. I haven't seen him get aggressive with it.
Yeah, that's interesting.
but he does like it.
What's that smell? Let me get that on my, I don't want that on me. Well, he does have long hair. I cannot imagine they said this is medium. I can't imagine that's medium. No. I had a lynx point that they have long hair and he was beautiful. And, but his hair wasn't any longer than that.
Yeah, I can't imagine a cat with longer hair what that would look like.
Oh, I hear that purr.
Mm-hmm.
I hear the purr. I hear the purr. You are a sweet boy. You're a sweetheart.
Yeah, I like him. He's darling.
He is.
I like
Just
him
a
a lot.
precious. I like you. Do you let me rub your paws? Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Just don't get between me and my catnip.
Yeah. Yeah, he's very sweet. Okay,